Hello mama and welcome. I'm little Cherry. This is baby Emily. She's 4 months old and today we've got for you a very fun ab workout with your little ones that's designed to help you to heal your diastasis recti, also known as ab separation, to strengthen your deep core muscles and pelvic floor and to flatten your tummy. All right, for this practice, you will need your little ones and a little bowl or a pillow. Now, if you're gonna do this practice only once, I'm sorry to disappoint you, you won't see any results. The more you're gonna put yourself into the practice, I encourage you to come back to this practice every single day. You can do it while you're playing with your little one. So really no excuses here. The more you're gonna practice, then faster you will see the results. Now, today we've got 7 exercises, 1 minute each, 15 seconds break in between. And when you're ready, let's have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. We're going to do this workout all the way on our backs. Keep your ball next to you, grab your little one, come into a kneeling position and safely make your way down through the side. Whoop, flip onto your back and grab your babies. All right, here's a few positions how you can hold your little ones. You can hold them with your arms straight, so your hands on top of the shoulders, stacking your bones. During the exercises, you can lower your baby and lift, lower and lift, so add a little bit extra challenge for you and also some fun to your little ones. Another option, you can allow your little one to sit on your tummy or do a little tummy time, just place them that way. Just be creative and find what works for you and your little baby. Another very important thing, the entire practice, you have to maintain your back flat. So you have to squeeze the lower back down into the earth. So draw your navel in and down and push that lower back into the floor so there is no gap in between your lower back and the floor. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first exercise, hip abductions. We're gonna open the knees wide and then bring them back in. Open and in. Make eye contact with your little one. Maybe sing them a song. And old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Pressing that lower back firmly into the earth. Breathe, smile, and begin to enjoy that nice fire in your deep core. Emily. Ooh, wow. Almost there. Keep squeezing that lower back into the floor. Last one. Take a little break. Let your baby sit on your tummy. Take a deep breath in and out. Next one, heel slides. Lift your little one, squeeze the lower back into the floor. You're gonna extend one leg in front of you, bring it back in and switch. The other leg and switch. Hop and switch. All right. And left and right. And left and right. And lift. Keep driving the navel in and down and lower back into your mat. There you go. Right. And lift. All right. And lift. Here we go. Here we go. Whoop. 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 Up. Last one. And take a little break. Full breath in and out. Next one, marches. We're gonna march. Lift your little ones and begin to march. Lift one leg, lower the other and lower. Squeezing the lower back into the floor and march. And march. March and march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, mama. Good job, baby. Good job, mama. Good job, baby. Keep going. You got this. Woo! Hey, almost there. Yep. And go. Last one. And let's take a break. Take a breath in and out. All right, toe taps. Bring your shin bones parallel to the floor. Squeeze that lower back into the mat. And let's begin. You're gonna tap one toe to touch the mat. Lift, switch the other one. And switch. And switch. Ignite your breath. Woo! Working on that Diastasis Recti, ab separation. Closing the gap. Closing the gap. Flattening our mommy tummy. Yay! So much fun. And tap. And tap. You want to add a little extra challenge? Just begin to switch. One by one. One by one. Switch. 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 Woo! Ignite that fire. You got this. You got this. You got this. And 1. And 2. And 3. You can lift your head if that feels comfortable for you without losing your lower back contact with the floor. Last one. All right, let's take a little break. Full breath in and out. Next one, leg extension. Glue that lower back into the floor. Lift your shin bones parallel to the floor. You're gonna extend one leg, rebend the other, and rebend. Yes, Emily, there you go. There you go. If you want to add some extra challenge, so you're gonna switch and alternate, whoop, to go a little faster like a bicycle, and switch and switch. Can you feel that, mama? Can you feel that fire? We got this. We got this. And old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on the farm he had a cow. Moo. E-I-E-I-O. Moo 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 there, moo moo there, moo 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 everywhere. And old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. We got this, and faster, and go. Go mama, go mama, go baby, go baby. Woo! And a little break. Breathe in and out. Go ahead and grab your ball. Place in between the knees. Feet gonna stay on your mat. We're gonna just squeeze that ball. All right, glue your lower back into the floor and squeeze that ball. Squeeze, squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. Breathe, breathe. No gap in between the lower back and your mat. Draw that navel in and down. You want extra? Just lift and lower your baby. Here we go. Shh. Make a funny sound. Keep them engaged with you. And squeeze, and squeeze. Squeeze, mama, squeeze. Squeeze, nice. Almost there. Almost there. Squeeze and burn. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release. Beautiful. Take a breath in. And out. I know we have one more exercise. Keep the ball in between the knees. Bridges. Now you're gonna keep your lower back onto the floor. And from here, you're gonna lift into the bridge. Squeeze the ball and lower into a flat back. Squeeze, lift, and lower. Almost there, Emily. You got this. Last one. Take a break. Inhale. Exhale. Put the ball down. And I've got a little extra for you for those who want extra burn. So bring your shin bones parallel to the mat. Squeeze the lower back into the floor. And we're going to do double toe taps. You're going to tap both of your toes and lift. Tap and lift. Tap and lift. And let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it here. A little extra bonus. You're gonna extend both of your legs and rebend. Extend, rebend. 10, 9, and let me count it with me. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold your last one. Rebend and release. Take a breath in and out. Full breath in and out. Thank you, baby, for joining you to work on your mommy tummy, to help you to close the gap. Give them a little kiss. All right, let's begin to make our way back up through the side. Gently lift yourself up. Take a seat. Place your little one on top of you. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale, side out. And high five, mama. Good job. Now, some days it will be fun and easy. Some days it will be more challenging. That's okay. That's part of our life, parenthood. So enjoy every single moment, every single struggle. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And no excuses, mama. Now you can do it with your little one. You can work on your flat tummy, heal your diastasis recti, strengthen your pelvic floor. And that's it from us today. Thank you so much for tuning in, for practicing with us. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Share it with your mama friend, and we will see you again soon. From our heart to yours, namaste. 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 Hey, mama. I know how frustrating and intimidating it could be to get back into shape after having a baby. I'm here to help you to get the best and healthiest results possible while saving you time and having fun reaching your goals. I've created a core and pelvic floor restore club program for all moms that are trying to get rid of mommy tummy, heal weak pelvic floor, leakage, back pain, poor posture, diastasis recti, and so you can have fun with your kids, jumping, running, sneezing, and laughing, all without peeing your pants. Check the link in the description box or the first comment down below to find out more. Also, let's get connected on Instagram so I can inspire you to move your body more frequently so you can feel your best every single day. I look forward to connecting with you. Namaste.